welcome back. Another beautiful day out here working on the DR. I got the rebuild kit in for the Petcock, so let's give that a look. All right, here is the Petcock, and good old rebuild kit. Even comes with new bolts. That's kind of neat. Okay, here is the new stuff and the old stuff. New stuff, old stuff. And the plastic thing here, pretty simple. You just push this through and it'll go through. It does matter what side is what, so pay attention to that. And then O-rings, there's this little guy in there, and then little O-ring there, action. Pretty straightforward. Okay, so I think I found the problem. And this little jet here, the O-ring, if we take it over to the actual carburetor, it sits, back here. And that is all kinds of loosey-goosey. So I think that's why fuel is just pouring out of her. Getting pretty far along into her now. I got the carburetor all put back together. I bought some O-rings and I found one that kind of fit and I made it work. Made a fuel line set up for him, and now we're doing the oil change, and I got it just draining out. This bike's kind of interesting. It holds oil in the frame. Kind of a neat idea. But I pulled the oil filter cover off and I pulled the filter out. I'm like, man, that's weird. Well, one thing is funny, he wrote on the filter too when he changed it, but this filter, seen better days, definitely. It kind of came apart in there. Weird. I hope the new one lasts a little longer than that one did. So I just got back from the test drive and she rode great. So we did the oil change, carb clean, rebuilt the Petcock. I ended up fixing the front tail light. The brake switch was stuck on, so we fixed that as well. And you know, for Ron's budget and for what the bike is, I think we did about all we could do to it. Alright guys, I guess that's going to be a wrap on the DR. Well, we still got to take it back to him, but he is actually camping and he's not going to be back till tomorrow night. Anyways, yeah, nice little project to help old Ron out, but not looking forward to working on one again. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.